Hi guys, how you doing? So I'm walking around my living room at the moment. Some banging going on upstairs. Right. So I've been printing for a while, and always taking precautions: gloves, mask, goggles, and right. And I've changed my resin from Elegoo ABS like resin to Sunlu water washable resin, or I think it's JO resin, water washable resin. Yeah, so I haven't had a problem since my last print was about 2 weeks ago. I started having a little bit of a rash on my finger. So I must have touched something somewhere along the line that wasn't cured. This time around, I was washing a big piece and water got above my the wrist, the cuff of my glove, and I have burns on my hands and fingers. For the last, I woke up yesterday morning and my fingers were blistered. If you're squeamish, please look away, because we're gonna have a look at it. Okay, so that's my hand. It's a little bit pinky at the moment. It's settled down. Been putting on Sudocreme and E45 cream and some burn cream and anything else I can get my hands on. I got these small little bumps on my hand, where the residue went in my glove. Okay, that mark there, that's not anything to do with it. So it's very tingly and very itchy, and it's very sore. See the little bumps there? Okay, there's little tiny irritated blisters. Okay, right. So that came up, and I mean, it ballooned and it popped, and it is sore and nasty, and that was 36 hours ago. Okay, and then this, there you go, that came up yesterday afternoon, and I had to go to the chemist. What can I put on it? Blah blah blah. So yeah, so that's what we're dealing with at the moment. It's very sore. If you can see the scarletness of the between my fingertips. And this was with wearing gloves. So I must have touched something, and it got above my glove cuff. My other hand isn't so bad. Still a bit pink. And fingers inside there. That's not so bad. Little bumps and everything. But the Sunlu stuff is absolutely evil, and I've got about 2 litres of it to get rid of, or to use very carefully, and then I'll swap to a different brand. Okay, so there's a precautionary tale. Yes, I do keep scratching myself. It's a nervous thing. But lessons can be learned. We will carry on. We will make some good stuff. Yeah, I think that's about it. Alright, cheers guys. If you want to learn anything, ask, comment, don't call me names because you're probably getting banned. I'll see you on the next video. Cheers guys.